Today, we're creating a bold and energetic electric spark text reveal animation using the electric flame effect. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text and then tap Add Text. Type the title or word you want to animate. Next, open the Font tab and choose a style that matches the electric theme. Something sharp, bold, or futuristic works really well. Now tap the Animation tab. Inside the In section, scroll until you find Electric Flame. Tap on it, and you'll instantly see sparks and electric streaks forming your text, giving it a powerful reveal. To fine tune it, use the duration slider. Slide right for a slower, more dramatic spark reveal. Slide left for a quicker electric burst. Preview it and adjust until it fits perfectly with your video. And that's it. You've just made an electric spark text reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more step by step CapCut Mobile tutorials.